Yes, this is going to be a wonderful flight today. Let's just go to the runway. Let's go. We got Emirates flying up there. Wait, let me check the year. I forgot. This is 1999. I guess soon is going to be next year, 2000, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. Let's just go right now. We're heading to the runway. But I have a bad feeling about this plane or something. Because I feel like it's gonna run out of fuel or the engine is gonna like stop working or something. And then our nose gear will break and stuff. And you land. Whatever. Okay, let's just take off right now. This should be my new profile picture. But, no. Okay, take off. Okay, take off settings. V1. Rotate. Okay, that's a nice smooth takeoff. At least we're not landing. Okay. Of course! All my engines literally broken. After takeoff, bro? Oh my god. Okay, we need to use one of the last engines, okay? Because we can't let this happen. Okay, so. Okay. We're not crashing into the bridge. Oh my god, we're so. Okay. Oh, pull up. We're not hitting the power plant. Oh my god, that hit one of my gears, but that didn't break somehow. Just used one of the last engines. Oh my god, we just hit a mountain. Bro, where's Greater Rockford? We can't use Airbase Gary. We need to use the longest runways as possible. Okay. We need to safely land this. Okay. Bro, my memory was true. I think my nose gear is gonna break. Oh my. Okay. Flaps. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Just do it. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my god. What the hell? It just... Wait. What? Oh my god. What is it doing? What is the plane doing? Oh my god. Our emergency landing gone wrong, bro. What is that? What? Our emergency landing goes wrong for some reason. And somehow we didn't hit the fence. That's good, but how? How in the hell? How did it really miss the runway, bro? Like, how? Let's just not talk about that. Honestly, bro. Let's just not talk about that. Honestly, bro. Let's just not barely talk about that, bro. Let's not talk about that. I'm quitting my job. Right now. Okay. Where is my manager? I'm quitting my job. Well, subscribe and like. Oh, this is the manager, but subscribe and like. See you in the next video.